You see this recipe? I got this recipe 30 years ago or more than 30 years ago, when I was living in Bossier City, Louisiana. I bought this book. Sweet and sour sauce. Cheap to make. Best sweet and sour sauce that you can have. You know, this stuff's expensive if you go into the store for a little bitty bottle. But I could make this entire batch, double the batch, triple the batch, quadruple the batch for pennies compared to the stuff that you buy in the store. And this is the best stuff there is. I already had the water. I'm doubling it. I already had the water, cornstarch, ketchup, and sugar in. Now it calls for a dash of soy sauce. Always guess. 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Again, I guess. Then after you got all your ingredients in, you turn on your stove. The cornstarch will thicken it up. You have to know how things work to make things. The cornstarch thickens it up. The sugar sweetens it, of course, and everything else is to taste. So as soon as your heat comes on, you start stirring it. And I got a spoon, and I need a whisk to stir it, so let me do that. The spoon was creating spills on my stove. The whisk is what is used to stir liquid. And as it boils, it will thicken up. Did y'all see that pan move? Why did that pan move? Might be the spirits in my house. I got children that play around with me. I was not touching that pan, and it slid this way. You tell me why. Maybe I need to get out the people's oil and ask God to bless my house again from evil spirits. The people's oil, by the way, is olive oil. You can read about it in the Bible if you choose to do so. You always want to clean your stove while it's hot. Try not to burn yourself, and do it safely. Use the thing that God put on top of your shoulders. I still have to clean it, but I cleaned part of it off. Because when it gets cold, it's harder to clean. It should start boiling any second now. Again, I doubled the mixture. And I took the pan away while I cleaned the stove.